All right. So now this time, Lucas, are you ready to have our lesson today? Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yeah. Wow, that's good to hear that you are ready. So now this time, Lucas, before we were gonna start our lesson today, let me ask you, are you done having dinner? You're done? You're
Yes.
done? Yes. What was your dinner for tonight?
My
Can you
dinner.
share with teacher Flora?
No.
Your dinner. No, you don't want to share. But you drink milk a while ago.
Look. I shouldn't look.
Oh, oh wow. How many milk do you drink every night? You
Uh,
drink only one?
no, I take
Only
my
one?
milk. The milk and this juice and many.
Oh my God, you really drink a lot. All right. So now this time, Lucas, before we were gonna start, give me high five first. High five. High five. High five. All right. Yes, yes, yes. Now this time, let's gonna start our lesson today. I'm gonna share you my screen. Okay?
I show you. I show you my iron bar.
What? What do you want to show me?
The iron bar.
Yes. Yes, you can show me that one. Where? Let me see.
I give you a surprise.
Okay. Ta-da! Ouch! Oh my God! Don't do that with me! Oh my God! It's gonna hurt me! All right. Okay, so now this time, Lucas, let's begin our lesson today. Okay?
Yes.
I'm a little bit afraid because you're holding that one. I'm afraid if you hurt me. Oh no! Stop, Lucas! Stop! Don't hurt me, Lucas! Don't hurt me!
Oh,
Oh, I'm gonna cry if you hurt me. You hurt me, Lucas. Oh my God. Okay, so now this time, Lucas, let's start our lesson today. Are you ready, Lucas?
yes, I'm ready.
Yes, that's good to hear that you're ready. So now this time, we were gonna talk about this.
This is it.
Yes, it's all about. Do you know what is this story? Do you know? Lucas,
Yes,
do you know what story is it?
it is.
Yes?
It's the fans the remote.
Yes, exactly. And it's really quite interesting. So now this time, Lucas, let's begin with the audio first. Let's gonna sing a song.
Teacher, I don't know how to sing.
Oh, you don't know how to sing it?
Yes,
You don't know how to sing it?
yes,
Ooh, but you can hear and you can hear the audio. Is it okay?
yes.
Okay. But I can show you a certain video as well for that song only. Okay? Just a little bit energizer for you. Let's start. Can you see the video?
Yes, it
Yes,
is.
yes, yes.
It is a physics. That's the remote.
Okay. Yeah. Look.
Can you believe that pixies are such itty bitty creatures?
Even when they're magnified, it's
hard
Hard
to
to
see
see
their
their
features.
features.
They're
Tiny,
tiny, infinitesimal, so small that
infinitesimal,
makes you
so
doubt. But if you
Basically,
meet a pixie, please don't
don't
let
let
their
me
shit
try
wear
to
you out.
out.
But if you meet a pixie, please don't let their
See
shit
you
wear you
in a
out.
drop.
But
Oh,
if you
see you
meet
in
a
a
pixie,
pixie.
please don't
To
let
make
their
them
shit
show you
wear you
in
out.
a drop. Oh. So now this time, let's gonna have our lesson today, Lucas. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Now this time, Lucas, let's gonna talk about the remote. Are you excited, Lucas? Let's gonna talk about the remote. Okay, please repeat after me. The remote.
The remote.
Very good. Now in this time, let's proceed to the next. Oh, what happened in this part, Lucas? Do you know what happened in this part?
This part is the paper and
This
the
will be.
thing has
Mhm.
got a start in the remote.
Exactly, that's right, Lucas. This was the scene that the problem begins, just like what you said, that the remote isn't working. That's why Nolik is worried, right?
Yes.
Look at the face of Nolik. He's very worried. Yeah, because the remote is not working. And Nolik said, what does Nolik said in this part? What does Nolik said to Simka?
And then he is afraid.
Yes. Yes, exactly. You're right. Because the power button is. What happened to the power button?
It is stuck in the remote.
Yes, exactly. It was stuck into the remote. That's why Nolik was worried. Okay, let's proceed. Oh, what happened next? What does Semka do?
So Simka, he is. I don't know what is this.
You don't know what is this?
Yes.
You don't know what is that is button. Power button. That will be power button. Okay. Power
Oh, button.
button. Yes, exactly. That was power button. So what does Simka do? What does Simka do?
Mm,
And do you know this one, the color green? That is pen. Pin.
pin.
Yes, exactly. So what does Simka do? Oh no!
Yeah, you
What does it? Mm.
know.
Yes, exactly. You're right. That's why Semka is somehow fixing before Tom noticed that the button was stuck. So she grabbed the pen and starts poking carefully under the button. What does Semka shouted? What does Semka shouted? Come on!
In the
Come on!
door.
Almost there.
Power.
Yes, exactly. So afterwards, the button was
The button
what
was
to the
out of
button?
the remote.
Yes, exactly. It was getting out. And afterwards, what happened?
He's loaded in the dog's nose.
Exactly, that's right. The trouble with Chusaka. So this dog was named, his name is Chusaka.
Ah.
Yes, that's right. That is Chusaka. So yeah, that's the happened that they began to have a trouble with Chusaka because the pen slips. and shoot across to the nose of Chusaka. Oh, what's the next they are doing? What's next?
And Chusaka is looking who is starting.
Yes, exactly, you're right. And afterwards, that Chusaka was waking up because of the pen. Samka is really shouted at that time that hide, quick, pick up before someone sees us. That's why they are both hiding. And afterwards, what happened?
And Chusaka, he is putting the remote under the bed. And he is hiding.
Yeah. Yes, exactly. You're right. So what's next? Remote goes missing in this part because what happened to the remote? What happened to the remote? Lucas?
The remote, the Chusaka, he is using it to catch it.
Yes, exactly. You're right. Chusaka stole the remote by biting it. Oh no! What happened to Nolek? What
Nolek,
happened to Nolek? Look.
teacher, you can give me the pen.
What?
You can give me the pen. I don't
You didn't have
draw.
you didn't have a pen?
Yes.
I come to.
Oh no, I cannot show you the pen. I'm sorry. How about that?
没有，没有。
Do you have?
No, I don't have.
Is it okay? Is it okay that only teacher can have a pen?
Yes.
Is it okay? Okay, thank you. Oh no. So here we have. Okay. So
Yeah.
So afterwards, what happens next?
Nolo is hiding in the remote.
Yes, exactly. You're right. Nolek is hiding into the remote. And afterwards, what happened? After Nolek is hiding to the remote.
Yes, and the Finka is friends the Nolo.
Yes, exactly. You're right. Samka is somehow finding Nolek. He's really shouted at that time, Nolek, Nolek, where you go? That's why afterwards, oh no, who's coming? Who's coming?
And the zombies are come back.
Yes, exactly. You're right. Tom was come back, or Tom was returns to house. While Tom was walking in, what does Tom said? Hey, I'm back.
I'm back.
Turn. So
Turn out that
yeah, exactly.
Finka said the Nolo and facing and the Nolo hand in the remote and Shaka took it. Not that it's in big trouble. Sometimes it's just something you can do. Shaka,
Yes.
and go in the other room.
Exactly. You're right.
And here.
Yes, and this part they are now seriously finding because that is a big time trouble because the dog was stolen the remote. So afterwards, at this time, what happened? They are searching now for Nolex. Okay? Yeah.
And then the Nolo is staying here. And then the girl
Yes.
in the it has a special.
Mm-hmm. Afterwards, what happens next? How does looks like Simka looks like? Oh no! Look at the face of Simka.
It's very sad.
Simka? Yes, she is very, very sad because she doesn't found Nolek, right?
Yes.
And afterwards, yes, at this time, their searching began. Tom got to help us find Chusaka. So Tom was shouted, "Where are you? What happened this one? What does Thomas do?"
Someone is fighting Susaka.
Yes, exactly. You're right. He is finding Chusaka. But then, what happened? Does they found Chusaka?
No, he
Does
doesn't.
they found Chusaka?
No, he doesn't find Susaka.
No. Exactly, you're right. They didn't found Chusaka at this moment. Look, how about this?
This and the knowledge is out now.
Oh yeah. But at that time, Nolik was in the remote. They found out that Nolik is in the remote. Nolik now was speaking. How does Nolik shouted?
I am shouted here. Number 2, I'm over here.
Yes, exactly. He's really shouted at one Simka. Tom, I'm over here. Yes, exactly. You're right. Afterwards,
And the knowledge said he's still here.
yes, exactly. He just only said that himself that I will gonna stay here. Next one. What does that happen next?
And the thing that he found the peg map.
Yes, exactly. You're right. What are you gonna do with it? Because Tom asking to Simka that what are you gonna do with it? What does Simka said?
Simka said in the Pac-Man.
What does Simkas wanted to find out?
And
find the infrared ray, right? He wanted to find the the infrared ray. Yes, exactly. Yes, that comes out to the remote. And afterwards,
think how in the late it can look and the other thing.
Exactly. So anyway, and that is what gonna be the infrared lesson in this part. So what is this?
This is
What's this?
This is
This will be the remote, right?
It is a remote and it is an infrared ray.
Yes, exactly. This one, this will be the LED. LED. Yes, that was the LED. Okay, that was the LED. So what does LED means? It means
I don't know.
You didn't know? So LED, that means light. L stands for light emitting diode. Okay? That is light emitting diode. Yes, that was LED, the light emitting diode that comes out the red one. When you press a button, the LED or the light emitting diode sends us invisible infrared ray. Okay?
Yes.
This was the infrared ray. And at the next part, what goes next? Do you know what gonna goes next?
Math and
What gonna goes next?
goes there and
Oh no. What gonna goes next?
goes to no snack.
Mm-hmm.
But he is holding a button and the LED says the infinity is everywhere.
Yes, exactly. You're right. And when you press a button or the LED senses invisible infrared ray, and the TV gets what? Gets gets the starts with letter S. Gets the start with letter S.
I think
Signal. That is signal. Okay?
Yeah.
Yes. So after that one, the invisible infrared ray, the TV will gonna get the signal. And afterwards, what happened to the TV?
Okay, he is little box leg is pushing the button.
Yeah, exactly. You're right. The TV reads the ray, and that's what you told that. If you were gonna like changing channels or turning up the volume, it will gonna be happen. But if it's invisible, how can we see it? How can we see it?
I see it.
What the Simka said, if that then the Tom asked her that, but if it's invisible, how can we see it? So what the Simka told to him?
Come to him and the little bag and push the button and he found the movie and he watched the physics movie.
Yes, exactly. You're right. Look, what happened in this part? This will be.
Mm-hmm. Don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
The next, look at this one. The TV goes on, and afterwards, this will be a brilliant plan. That's why Tom was asking to Semka, now what? What you should do? So that's why Semka somehow answered that yell for Nolek. Tell him to press any button. This part.
And the teletype
Right?
brings the any buttons on the remote.
Yes, exactly. That's why Tom was shouting, Nolek, push a button, any button. And then what does Nolek answer do, Tom?
So, but how I can do that? We think it's the target is and then look.
Yes. How does Nolek sing? How does Nolek sing? Meow, 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 meow. Right? Yes, exactly. So now, except for the meanwhile, Nolix is somehow singing meow, 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 meow. So that's the reason why. Meanwhile, Chisaka starts pawing at the remote. Look, because of the sound. Look, what does Chisaka do?
Okay, he's pushing the room.
Chuk, 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 chuk. That's why he's really pushing. Chuk, 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 chuk. Chisaka is really pushing the button. And afterwards, how does Semkas do? What does Semka do?
And Sanka he sends a no look. And he tells him he's under the
Ye-
bed.
Yes. And Jim and Semka was using her goggles, right?
Yes.
So Chisaka want a snack. So at this moment, as you said, that Semka found it already that Chisaka and Nolik is under the chair. And afterwards, what does Tom do? So that Chisaka will gonna go out. What does Tom do?
He gives him a sausage.
Yes, exactly. That's right. Tom was holding a certain sausage, which is the hot dog. And then she somehow shouted, Chisaka, want a snack? And afterwards, what happens next? What happens to
And
Chisaka?
Chisaka is yell. Rah, rah.
Yes, exactly. Chisaka was yelling. So that's why Chisaka runs to him and wagging her tail. Ah,
And his mouth is
what does he do?
and
Yeah.
his is on the sausage.
Exactly, you're right. That's the reason behind that Chisaka was getting out because of the sausage, and afterwards, Nolek was free. Look at this one. How does it end?
And the audio funny we use as a special infinity rest to send you.
Very good. That's right. So that's the when afterwards, this will be the lesson. So, what will gonna be the lesson? So you can control your TV.
Yes.
Yes, so you can control your TV even if it's not pointing straight at it. Even if you're pointing beside, near, far, it will gonna be work. Just like what you said. Just like Tom said, awesome, I'm gonna try it with a mirror. So what does Samka told to Tom?
How to tell in I don't know.
No, you don't know. So, but the next time, if your toys, Samka told to Tom that next time, if your toys weren't all stuffed under the bed, we wouldn't have needed goggles. It's because when the cartoon's over, because of the LED. So even if it's not pointing out straight, you can always see the LED, right?
Yes.
Just turn on your phone's camera, aim the remote at that, and press any button. That's the reason behind. So, what's next? The final scene is... What's the final scene? The last part.
Let's and the Simca tell them how the Tom is.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
So at this moment, this will be the final scene that they clean up time. Look, what does Tom do?
And this time the Tom Tom is watching his favorite TV.
Yes, exactly. You're right. So that's why Tom is watching now his favorite TV and said, when the cartoon is over, I promise I will clean everything up. So that's why Nolek are laughing because Nolek said, sure, you will, Tom. That's why in this case, Semka close and magnifying glass case number unsolved. What was the end of the movie? Okay, perfect. That was the end. Okay, good job. Good job. You really know it very well. Is that your favorite movie?
Yes.
Is that your favorite movie? Oh wow! Because I've ever seen that one when I was a kid as well. I really love that movie. So now this time, Lucas. Oh, what is that? Is that your tie? Who gives you that tie? That's a very cute. Who gives you that tie? Your mom?
Autumn
Ju- ju-
night.
ju- ju- ju? You don't like that? Ju- 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 ju. What's the name of that toy? What's the name of that toy, Lucas? Yes, what's that name? Do you have any names of that toy?
跟老师说再见吧。
Teacher, bye bye. I want to bathroom.
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Okay. Yes, we can able to see tomorrow. Have a great night. Bye. Give me high five. Oh no! Give me high five first. Give me high five before I'm gonna end. Bye bye. Thank you so much. See you.
Tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
Yes.